Hello, welcome back. In this session we will see altering the identity and sequence values. As we have seen in our last video, identity and sequence both having a starting point and we have set as 1. In this session we will see how to change that value. Here with the example I will show by changing the identity and sequence value from 1 to 100. So let's jump to SQL Server and we will see with an example. I have already created a table EMP and identity is on for the column EMP ID. You can see here now there are 6 rows and EMP ID is 6. Now if I insert another row, EMP ID should be 7 and here it is 7. Now my next task is change the next value. If I insert another row, it will be 8. I want that 8 to be changed to 100. To do that, I need to write a command dbcc. The full form is database console command. Then check constraint, this is a keyword. After that I have to give the table name in a single quotes, then comma, then reseed. That means I need to change the starting point value reseed of 99. Once I execute this, database engine will change the current value to 99. If I execute another insert statement, if the new row inserting to EMP table, then the EMP ID will be 100. Now I have executed this row and it is saying me the identity value is 7 already there in the table and it is re-changed to 99. Now I will insert a row. Let's see what exactly the EMP ID value is, and it is 100 because we have already changed that identity value and database engine consider that, and whenever I am inserting a new value, now it will increment by 1. Let us achieve the same thing in Oracle. I am executing select star from EMP and here there are 9 rows already in that table and the next value should be 10. Now I have inserted one row. Let us see what is the next value. It should be 10. Yes, and here you can see EMP ID 10 is there. Now let me alter the sequence and change the starting point value. So I am writing a command alter sequence EMP underscore EMP ID start with 99. Here EMP underscore EMP ID is a sequence name. So when I execute this, I am getting an error that cannot alter starting sequence number. That is, from this error message it is clear that Oracle is not allowing to do the changes for the starting value. Now we have only one method, that is dropping this sequence, and we need to create another sequence with the same name starting the value 99. I have dropped the sequence here and I have committed the sequence in the database. Let me create another sequence with the same name and start with the value 99 and incremented by 1. Let me execute this create statement and my sequence is created now. Let me change the name and insert one row to EMP table. Now let's see what exactly EMP table having. Now here you can see it is 99 is inserted. For the sequence, alter command will work only for changing the increment by value, but not for the start with value. Now I will change the increment value for this sequence using a command alter sequence, name of the sequence, then incremented by, let me put as 5. Now you have seen the recent value is 99 in my EMP table, and if I execute another insert statement, it will add 5 to the 99 and I think the next value should be 104. Yes, it is 104. Now we given the starting point 99 to sequence, that means it took 99 as it is. But if you remember in Microsoft SQL Server, if we are altering the identity value as 99, then it will add 1 to that and it will consider 100 as a next number. So this is the main difference for both. Thank you for watching this video. See you in the next one.